We at True Force Machinery believe that you need to know the facts. You need to know what the machine is capable of and what you can use it for. She can do more! 9, 9, 9! And people put bags on them and whatnot, but we, as the true engineers we are, this is how much damage we can do! Even if it's gonna piss off some distributor, we're gonna show you what the real numbers are. Hey guys, welcome to True Force Machinery. As we all know, we're here to give you real scientific facts of how good those skid steers are. And to do that, we're gonna do some drag racing. Drag racing will begin with what I believe is the two slowest machines, and then we're going to have the winner running against the other machine, and so on and on. And we'll eventually come to the conclusion of which one of those skid steers is the fastest. And why is it important? Because your time has a value in it. What does that mean? If you need to haul gravel in it, if you can do it in half the time, you'll be making twice the gravel, or you'll be making twice the money. And that's what it's all about. We got the Repower RSO3 over here. We got the Repower RSO4. The RSO3 has a Briggs & Stratton motor. The RSO4 has a Kubota Z482 in it. This is the AGT 23 horsepower. It has the 720cc Rato Chinese engine in it. And then we have the cheapest skid steer alive. This is the AGT MX MRW 14 we sell for $2,999. Our finish line is right there. Amazing experience, we'll poop here again, flag. Ran on a skid steer obviously, because that's what we do. Now, start them up guys. Give it some gas, I want to hear them. Hand. All right. This race is gonna be made at almost full throttle, okay? Are you ready guys? Ready, set, go! Come on! This is the battle of the turtles over here. They're super fast machine. We might even fast forward it. It's actually neck to neck right now, neck to neck. We gotta be at the finish line to see who crosses it first. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who is it gonna be? No! No! Well, ladies and gentlemen, the RSO3, maybe because it's being carried by a very skinny guy named Tyler, has won our first race. All right? Next in line. All right, guys, we're back into the skid steer racing, and there is a conclusion we probably came up with. Those machines are faster in reverse. So now we're going to have the winner, the RSO3, versus the MX14 something. Are we ready? Set, go! Here's the winner! Oh no! Let's be honest over here. The MX14 is definitely faster, just have a very bad operator. The 100% this machine is faster. If he would have lined it up on the exact spot, the soft spot, should we do it again?
We should.
Yes, let's do it again. Alright. Take number 2. Reverse skid steer competition drag race. Ready? Set, go! No! This is not even a fair race. This is not even a fair race. After 2 tries, the expensive machine, the RS03, is currently the leading machine. Is the RS03, the fastest skid steer known to mankind. So to read it, so you can stop using stars if you want to shut up. Alright. We have 2 guys over here. We got Tyler, that everybody knows, by the way. Thanks to that girl that bought his onion rings at the pub the other day. He did get arrested for doing donuts. And then we have Sladen, who is new to the videos, but you know, he is very attractive. So I think he's also single, ladies. I don't know how many ladies we got here, but ladies and gentlemen. Now, we have the AGT 23 horsepower over here. So far, he's the winner in our lifting test. And then we have the RS03 that so far has 2 winnings on its belt. All right, guys, start them up. All right, let's listen to those engines. Rev them up! Rev! Up on the rev. All right, ready, set, go! Oh yeah! This is, oh my God! Now this is a fast skid steer. Look at this! Look! Woo! Woo! I'm too old for this shit. We got ourselves a winner. The AGT 23 horsepower. Turns out to be probably, and I don't know if I can say that, because I sell other machines, probably the best package you can buy as a standalone skid steer under $5,000. It can lift more than them all. It can drive faster than all. You know, it's also the cheapest of them all. And on that bombshell, guys, remember, every household in America deserves to own a skid steer. We're trying to make funny content so you can have those skid steers and those excavators for affordable prices. Come and see us, True Force Machinery, www.trueforcemachinery.com. Thank you very much for watching.